Hi students, listen ma. So under budget and budgetary control, so 13th question I am going to discuss. See here, prepare a manufacturing overhead budget and ascertain the manufacturing overhead rates at 50% and 70% capacities. The following particulars are given at 60% capacity. Nothing but here we have to prepare a manufacturing overhead budget. Okay, so the information which is given here, that is regarding 60% capacity. So here we have to prepare for 50% and 70% capacities. Okay, so same like what we have done in the flexible budget, in the same way you have to do it here, but here we don't have a per unit. We don't have a unit, only directly what he has said 60% capacity has given. Basing on that we have to calculate budget for 50% and 70%. So what he has given, once you see here, variable overheads, indirect material, indirect labor he has given. Semi variable overheads, electricity 40% fixed he has said. So already I have said semi variable overhead means what ma, in that variable will be there, fixed will be there. So here 40% in this 30,000, 40% fixed he has said, means remaining 60% will be variable. Next repairs and maintenance, what he has said 20% variable he has said, means 80% will be fixed. So fixed overheads means for all the capacities you have to take same depreciation, insurance, salaries, same amount you have to take for all the capacities. Okay, total overheads, this is nothing but this is a total he has given. Estimated direct labor hours are 1,86,000 hours. Nothing but labor hours are 1,86,000 here he has given. So here we have to prepare a budget, manufacturing overhead budget for 50% and 70%. Okay, so by taking the information of 60%. Okay, see, once you see here ma, first 50, 60, 70, nothing but the information which is given, that is regarding 60%. So here we have to find the 50% and 70%. So first what he has given in the question, indirect, see here, indirect under variable overheads, indirect material 6,000 he has given. This is for 60%. So this one we have to calculate for 50% and 70%. Indirect labor also he has given 18,000 for 60%. So here we have to calculate for 50% and 70% capacities. So that's what I have done here. See, for 60% it is 6,000 he has given na. So now here we have to calculate for 50%. How we have to calculate for 50%? Once you see here, for 60% if it is 5,000 means, sorry, not 5,000, 6,000. For 60% if it is for 6,000 means, for 50% how much? For 50% how much? For 60% if it is 6,000 means, for 50% how much? Same thing here. For 60% it is 6,000 means, for 70% how much? In that way you have to calculate. Okay, same, then you will be getting 5,000 and 7,200. Same in case of indirect labor also. In case of indirect labor also. Okay, so here, not this one. So for 50% if it is 18,000 means, for 60% how much? For 16% how much? Here also. For 15% if it is 18,000 means, for 70% how much? In that way you have to calculate. Okay, you will be getting 15,000 and 21,000. After that what he has given, semi variable overheads he has given. So semi variable overheads to under the two he has given, that is electricity and repairs and maintenance he has given. Okay, so but in that fixed is there, variable is there. First electricity you see ma, electricity total amount 30,000 actually it is. That 30,000 we have to divide for fixed and variable. So once you see here, electricity fixed na, so 30,000 into 40% you have to do. Fixed, what I have said, fixed will be same for all the capacities, 12,000, 12,000, 12,000. 30,000 into 40% you have to do. You will be getting 12,000, 12,000, 12,000. Next variable, 30,000 into 60% you have to do. How much we got here? 18,000. So 18,000 we have to take near first at 60%. 60% capacity level you have to take 18,000. Okay. Why? Because in the question the information is given regarding 60% na. So first here you have to take the 18,000. Next what we have to do here? What we have to do? Variable means what we have to do ma? For 60%. Wrong I have done here. Check చేసుకున్నాం ఒకసారి మీద. For 60% if it is 18,000 means, for 50% how much? For 60% if it 80,000 means, 70% how much? ఇది ఒకసారి చూసుకోండి. Next here variable. For 60% if it is 18,000 means, for 50% how much? Here also for 60% if it is 18,000 means, for 70% how much? In that way you have to calculate variable. Next repairs and maintenance. Repairs and maintenance, what he has said means 20% variable he has said. So first 3,000 into 20% you do. So you will be getting variable amount. That is nothing but variable amount. How much we got here? 600. 600 we got. So what we have to do here for 60%, if it is 600 means for 50% how much? How much we got here? 500. Next, for 60% if it is 600 means for 70% how much? 700. Okay. Next, fixed. 3000 into 80% you have to do. 20% is variable means 80% will be fixed. Fixed is how much, man? 2400, 2400, 2400. Next, remaining three items he has given, that is fixed overheads, depreciation, insurance and salaries. Same amount we have to take. Okay, these all comes fixed means we have all amounts will be same in for all the capacities. Okay, now what we have to do? Total. What we have to do, ma'am? Total we have to do. So this is manufacturing, not a flexible. This is a manufacturing overhead budget. Manufacturing overhead budget. Okay. So by this we have completed the topic budget and budgetary control. Okay na?